Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to allow location access to apps on Android phone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Android phone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Now select the application. Once you selected the application, locate and click on permissions. Under permission, scroll down, you should see location, click on it, and then set this to allow only while using the application. Then turn on use precise location, and then this is going to turn on location permission for this application. You want to replicate this on all other applications where you want to turn on or where you want to allow access to location on your phone. Permission. Then if location is available, go ahead and turn it on. So let's do this on WhatsApp. So just scroll down to the WhatsApp application. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on permission. Scroll down. You should see location. If location is not under permission, just come to not allow and then select permission, and then you're good. So that is basically how to allow location access to apps on Android phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.